So let me show you the major scale of F sharp. F sharp major scale. F sharp is this one. Sorry. Yeah. So our major scale of F sharp is F sharp, G sharp, B flat, B, C sharp, D sharp, F, and F sharp. So that's basically the major scale. So how do we play it? The chords are simple. You play it like this. This is our one. This is our one. Our one is F sharp this side. F sharp, B flat, F sharp. No, C sharp. Then our two, G sharp, B, and D sharp. Then our three, B flat, C sharp, and B, and F. This side is B flat. Our four is B major, B, D sharp, F sharp, B. 5, C sharp major, C sharp. This is F and G sharp. This is side is C sharp. Our 6, D sharp, D sharp, F sharp, and B flat. And now 7, our 7. So now you can hide the camera is a bit yeah, this side is okay. So it's diminished F, G sharp, and B, then back to 1. So let me play it here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, back to 1. So we can also make it a little bit intermediate. You cannot just play it like that. At least you can play something like this. You can try and add other things. You can play your one like this. So you play F sharp, C sharp, and F sharp. This side you play C sharp, F sharp, G sharp, B flat, and C sharp. Then you are 2. This you are 2. B, D, F sharp, G sharp, and B, D sharp. I mean, so this side is G sharp, G sharp. You can add D sharp. Then our 3. So 3 you play this. Side we play this color. Then our 4. You can play like this. Play B, D sharp, B, C sharp, D sharp, and F sharp. This side you just play B, and then our 5. You can play it like this. So this is D sharp, D sharp, F, C sharp, D sharp, F, and G sharp. This side is C sharp and G sharp. Then you have 6. You can play it this way or this way, but I prefer this way. So this side is D sharp and B flat. This side is D sharp, F sharp, G sharp, B flat, and C sharp. Then our 7. So 7 you can play like this. C sharp, F, and G sharp. This side you play B, D, C sharp, F, and G sharp. Then back to your 1. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, back to 1. Like that. So that's a bit intermediate, not really beginner.